What's up everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. In this video, we're going to be testing the Ulanzi wide angle lens for DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's go. Now before we continue, this is not a sponsored test. However, Ulanzi reached out to me and shared their products for me to test and showcase in the channel. But once again, this is not a sponsored video. Now the Ulanzi wide angle lens for the DJI Osmo Pocket will set you back $19.95. I've seen it on sale on their website and on Amazon here and there, but the base price is around $19.95. And this lens is very, very small and very convenient. And when I say that, I mean in the whole lens grand scheme of things. If you're carrying a DSLR with extra lenses, filters, adapters, all that stuff, that's usually a full backpack worth of gear. And if you're a mobile filmmaker and you're still bringing lenses and accessories, that could still be a small backpack or just your pockets full of things. So I appreciate that this lens is very, very compact, very discreet. Now the lens includes a clear case that allows you to pretty much store your lens, just so it's not in your pocket or just prone to dust or any other damage in general as you're moving things around. It's very, very easy to lose if you just take it out and put it in your pocket. Maybe you forget about it. Now, it's very cool that they included this clear case for you to be able to store it, transport it, but also the case underneath has a lot of extra space that could serve as storage for additional SD cards or just pretty much the adapters for the Osmo Pocket to fit your smartphone. So if you're in a situation that you're only rocking the DJI Osmo Pocket and you want to have a wide angle lens situation, this could be the only thing you might need, right? You could have the Osmo Pocket in one pocket and then the extra accessories on this one. So it's kind of cool. I really appreciate that. Now you can attach the Ulanzi wide angle lens very easily just by simply placing it on top of the camera. It has magnets in its back and it is very, very small and lightweight. Having said that, I still encourage you to run some calibration prior to using it just so you can get the best stabilization possible. And most times when you use the DJI Osmo Pocket and you put it in your pocket, you'll end up with lint and other things, and when you reach into a bag, you might grab the camera with your hands. So watch out for any grease or any dust or anything like that before you place the lens, because it's going to amplify and it's just pretty much going to spread out. Just a heads up. So I took the DJI Osmo Action for a spin with the Ulanzi wide angle lens just so we can compare the footage with the lens and without the lens and see if it's something that could impact your workflow, your footage on different situations. Let's check it out. Now the first thing I noticed is that you do get a wide field of view. As showcased in some of the comparisons, you can significantly increase just the overall image captured by the DJI Osmo Action. You'll definitely get a lot more information. So I can see how this could be very useful in small spaces. You can make a small room seem bigger, or if you're trying to take video or photos of just more in your frame, I totally see how this is very useful. Now, having said that, you're also going to get substantial loss of detail around the edges on the frame. But I actually liked it under certain circumstances. Whenever you're filming someone or something, like a subject that's closer to the camera than the background, this can actually work as a kind of like a recreation of what bokeh or depth of field would look like. So on different scenes where I was filming and my wife was in the middle of the frame, I actually enjoyed and I liked that the center was focused, but then the outside kind of like served that double purpose where you could get some really cool artistic shots if you're recording something or someone. Now, if you're recording video or taking photos of just pretty much just the overall scene or just landscapes and things like that, keep in mind that your edges are definitely going to be a little bit blurry and softer than the center of the frame. Now, Ulanzi also shared with us the DJI Osmo Pocket and smartphone holder. And honestly, I'm enjoying it very much because it's very, very useful. It's very, very small, so you could technically carry this thing in just your pockets or if you're using a jacket or small bag. And at the time of this video, the smartphone and DJI Osmo Action holder is listed at $15.95, which is a really good price, and it's made out of aluminum, which is very light, very cool, but also it feels nice and durable. The Ulanzi smartphone and DJI Osmo Action holder also has a cold shoe mount that's very useful if you're trying to use any lights or any microphones. I see how this could be a really good solution for you to set up your own rig. And of course, it has a 1/4-inch mount for any tripods or any other brackets or accessories that you might need. I could totally see a situation in which I could leverage this lens for a lot of different environments, like especially small, closer environments. Definitely keep in mind the softer edges, and if you're gonna leverage that with a subject, keep that subject closer to your camera so you can get that really cool recreation of what bokeh could be. It's a little bit more artistic view, and with some basic color grading or filters, you could totally get a really cool shot with your DJI Osmo Pocket. But I wanna know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them down there so we can continue to create relevant content for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and a sub. And as always, thank you so much for taking your time with me. I'll catch you on the next one.